Hello, today I will be teaching how to add sound effects to your GameMaker game. So far I've got a little game going, got a player who can move around. I've also got another object, metal pipe object, which has a left pressed event. The first step to adding a sound effect to GameMaker is you actually need to add the sound to the game. So you want to go down here, you just want to press create sound. You can name it whatever you want, but to actually add a sound to this, you gotta go here to these three dots and you want to add the sound that you want to add. Okay, so now that it's in there, you want to have to code an activation. Right here I have it so that if the metal object is clicked by the player, it's going to play the sound. But first I actually have to code that. So to do that I have to code audio play sound, the name of the sound, which I named sound 1, its index, which would be 0, and if you want it to repeat or not. I don't want it to repeat, so I'm just going to put false. You don't want it to repeat if it was like a soundtrack in the background. Okay, so now if we play that, it should work flawlessly.